and smiles, everyone, and welcome. So today I have an AliExpress haul for you, and they're all stamps, this particular one. So I decided I would stamp them out for you so you could see them. So I'm going to just jump right in. So the first one is a word stamp. Well, saying stamp, I would say. And this is how they stamp out. And there's sayings like, if you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Every moment is a fresh beginning. Dream as if you'll live forever. Give as if you'll die today. Everything you can imagine is real. Change the world by being yourself. The time is always right to do what is right. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. I like that one a lot. To live will be an awful big adventure. Peter Pan. Whatever you do, do it well. Determine your priorities, and this one's not as clear. And form and something on them. I'm not sure what that first word is. So this isn't the best and clearest stamp I've ever gotten. I like some of the I like all the sayings, but some of them, like this one, for sure, I'm having difficulty with. But yeah, so it's a little harder to read. This one is a little small too. You can still read it just fine, but it's very small. So I don't know if I would recommend this one or not. I recommend it for the sayings, but a couple of the stamps are a little bit iffy on that one. And then the next stamp I got was this measuring tape one. I thought it was really cool and very grungy. And this is how it stamps out. But I really think it's cool. And you could cut this up, right? Very easily and use them. And then the next one is an artist type stamp, and I really, really do like this one. So that's the stamp itself. And this is how it stamps out. And I really do like it. This is really cool because each of them have the words on them, like this is slap it on. This one says ink. This is indigo blue. This is luscious. So that's really cool. And that has a few sayings. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Art, creative. The paintbrush, I really like that too. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. I like that saying too. Art is opening your soul to let your imagination fly out. And then like this one, it says on the tubes of paint, inspire, dream, discovery, and then all the different paintbrushes. So I really like that one. Okay, and that was from one store. And then I got another one that is artsy related, which is this one here. And I like it too. And this is how it stamps out. Like that's a measuring tape, that one there. And this says inspire and create. So I've the different splats and different things on that. So that's that one. And this is background stamp here with the books and a flower coming out of the books, and there's a flower here. And this is how it stamps out. I think it is quite nice, and I love the books, and like stamping and embossing this and then watercoloring the books, different colors in your flower. I think that will be gorgeous for sure. And this one here, I absolutely love this one. I think it is gorgeous. It's a background stamp also. And this is how it stamps out. Like, look at all the birds up here among the flowers, and look at these trees and all the trees and such through. I mean, this is beautiful, and I'll be able to use it in so many different projects in different ways, right? And you could do parts of it. Like, you could just stamp where the flowers are and the birds, or you could stamp down here where the trees are, or just in here and use the word part, or the whole thing, right? So it is just, I just really like this one. It was worth it to get that stamp for sure. Then I just have a couple, 3 more. No, just a couple. So then I got this stamp. It has the ladies on it. And then the words, or labels, I should say. Not words, labels. And this is how they stamp out. And I like it too. This is, I think, French. Like, it's not English, the words at all. Yeah, it's all French, I would think, because it says Paris on it. So I find this lady's really pretty. This lady's nice, but her one eye is a little bit different, but it makes it look very grungy as well as vintage. So then I got that one, and then my last one I got was this one with roses and this lace. Like, this turned out to be a really big stamp. I didn't think it'd be quite as big as it is, but it's gorgeous. So this is how it stamps out. So look at those flowers. They're beautiful, and they stamp so nice and clear. Same with the lace. And this lace, you could continue stamping it, right, to make it as long as you want, or just stamp parts of it, right, and stamp it in any color that you want. So if you want to keep a project really flat, but you would like to have some textile on it, looking thing on it, you could use this stamp and make it look like there is lace there, right? So that's what I got it for, was the lace one. And yeah, so I think I will use that it will get used quite a bit too. So that is my haul for today, guys, from AliExpress. It's, like I said, I just got stamps, and the majority of them I really, really like. But if you want any of them, I'm going to hold this up. Yeah, I listed all the stamps and what shops I got them from, and then you can go have a look for yourself. The store, I listed the stores and which stamps came from which store. So you can take this screenshot. I'll just hold it up for a second. So I want you all to have a wonderful day and a crafty kind of day. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and you press that notification bell, and it'll let you know when I'm putting up a new video. And I want you again to have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye for now.